everyone, it's a white slice here. I'm just on my way to Marazion. We've had quite a lot of wind and a lot of swell this weekend, so yesterday I went down to the lake and it was pretty gusty. It was sort of anywhere between 5 and 40 knots. Today at Marazion, hopefully it's going to be a bit of cross-shore wave action. And there's been quite a lot of swell around. I know yesterday the waves were pretty big, but today they seem to have dropped off a bit, which is good because I'm still not so confident in big waves. They scare me a little bit. Low tide's about 7 o'clock, so I should make it just for the last hour before low tide. So if everything works out, it could be a good time. Right, well I've just arrived at Marazion. The waves have definitely died down, which is good. They're only sort of about 3 to 5 foot, so I reckon I can handle that. Now the decision is whether I'm going to go on the 4.7 or the 4.3. Okay, the waves are looking pretty good. I've rigged up a 4.7. It's looking busy. It's not looking as windy as expected. So we're just going to go out and see what happens. I am having a great session. It's just about windy enough for the 4.7, but there are some big gusts where I'm pretty stacked. I'm having such a good time. was epic. That was so good. It was pretty windy. I was pretty powered up on my 4.7. Although it was busy, I had plenty of waves, and I really actually felt like I was doing some riding and doing some turns, and I was staying on the wave. Wow, that was the best wave session I've had for a long time, I think. So yeah, I think that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can be the first to know about any new videos. And also check out my Instagram page if you didn't know about it already. Thanks for watching. See you next time.